What? What? Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, we are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. I hope you staying prayed up, staying safe and out the way. And I hope you not letting nobody stress you out today. Or any day, matter of fact, okay? Shout out to my people. Welcome to all the new family members I've seen come in. I appreciate you guys. I'm glad you guys are loving the channel and being a part of the community and coming in, you know what I'm saying, live, laughing, and loving. That's what we built that community off of. So if you're stressed out, if you're going through something, make sure you tap in. You can get a good laugh. I got too many comments saying I haven't laughed like this in years. And that shit feels bomb. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. So you're gonna like it even more if you come over to Twitch, because we're on there for like 2, 3, and 4 hours at a time just laughing our arse off. Literally, our ass comes off, it sits down next to us, and we're both laughing. Like literally, okay? We about to tap into a video that I got sent from Doorbell News. Pet sitter gets evicted and leaves house a mess. That's what they do. The people that get evicted have pets. I don't know why they got pets, because they don't take care of them. They feed them, let them piss shit all in the house. They don't walk them. They just, how you buying the pet food and not paying rent? Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up, okay? Before we tap into the video, we got to check out people's meepers like we always do, okay? Get down in the comment section, man, 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. Make sure you hit the description box. That's where all the links are going to be. Go tap into Twitch, okay? Download Twitch. Go over there. Type in Fuush nigga. Come mess with your boy. We got a giveaway going down over there. 10 sweatshirts. Okay, we already gave away 4. We will be live tomorrow, Wednesday, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's West Coast time, 9 o'clock for my East Coast people. Come over, have fun with us, man. Especially if you're going through some shit, a breakup, or just stressed out from a job, or you just a little bit depressed, man. Come laugh with us. It's going to change your life. Got too many comments from people saying, I haven't laughed like this in years. Okay? I haven't laughed like this in years, and that shit makes me feel good. That shit keeps me going. It keeps me motivated, because I like making people feel good. I like people, seeing people happy. Period, point blank. Okay? With that being said, let's tap into the video, man.
Pima County Sheriff's Office shared this video after they were called out to enforce an eviction. The renter of this house was a pet sitter, and they made sure to leave a lot of pet feces and urine behind without cleaning up the house before leaving. This is a shame that they left this homeowner's house in this condition.
Oh, that's the pet sitter left a homeowner like that? Oh no. Oh no. Well, you know it's rats and roaches in there, without a question of a doubt. There's rats and roaches in that house, for sure. It's more than one pet, okay? Not just dogs. It ain't just cats. It's mice, mouses, roaches, peaches, eaches. Yeah, this shit crazy. Well, how long was the homeowners gone, bro? Cut it out. Cut it out.
There are rats and mice actively walking across these floors.
Come on now. What'd I tell you?
This room here is full of dog feces.
What? How do you live in this? How do you breathe and live in this and sleep in this shit, bro? How? She was pet sitting, so she had to be staying at the house. Like, how did she go to bed and well, we know what her house looks like. If she did the homeowner's house like this, we know what her house looks like and smells like. What? What? Hold on, we gotta read this. The residents of the house in this video were subjects of an eviction today. Hours prior to doing the eviction, I learned the homeowner, one of the occupants, was arrested last year on a felony charge of child abuse. Makes sense. Makes sense. This is child abuse. Come on. Anyway, animal abuse, animal cruelty. What I say? In that case, more than 100 animals were seized from her possession. She was court-ordered not to possess any other animals due to pending litigation. The homeowner also made me aware he thought there were 12 dogs in the house. Due to the circumstances, I asked animal control officers to go with me. Upon arrival, the homeowner was happy to inform me that the defendant and company left an hour prior with all dogs. He told me he threatened them into leaving by telling them I was on my way. A really stupid thing to do, by the way, for a variety of reasons. The reason I shared this with you is the homeowner also showed me the post on social media platform next door where the involved woman advertises herself as a pet sitter. Ain't that about it, bitch? If you were using someone who's either coming to your house to watch your animals or they're watching them in their own house, do your due diligence and get to know them a little something. Get to know them a little about. Hold on, bro. What the fuck? Get to know them a little something. That don't even make no sense. Basically, what they're saying, get to know them a little bit before you let them pet sit your house or bet your pets, whatever. Okay. This house was overrun with rodents and tons of animal feces and urine. It's unavailable and will probably have to be be leveled, tore down, start over, fresh, rebuild. Okay. This is yet another eviction where I bleached my boots prior to bringing the filth into my house when I got home from work. What you mean? We're not bleaching nothing. We're throwing away them boots. I'm not bleaching boots. I'm taking them motherfuckers off, and I'm probably throwing them away in the trash at the house and throwing on my flip-flops and going home. I'm not bleaching nothing. This is a done deal. You see all that? You don't know, it probably got fleas on top of the rats, rodents, mice, dog feces, like ticks. You just never know, bro. I'm trashing all that. And I wouldn't even go in that house without a hazmat suit, to be honest with you.
Confirming Bear Canyon Pizza Company. Handful, not Arizona. 615. Fox 434. Is that tank converting cattle in the highway? It's going to be CBD. That's what it is. CBD is happening right behind the station in the parking lot.
Dog treats. There are rats and mice actively walking across these floors. This room here is full of dog feces.
Damn. I wouldn't want to be the person that cleaned that house out. I promise you. There's no way. Like, just demolish the whole house and everything in it and get the dozer to pick that shit up. I wouldn't send nobody in there to even get none of that on them at all. That's probably the worst room. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's probably the worst. The worst room is the bathroom.
Make sure you subscribe today.
Ain't no damn way, man. Ain't no damn way. Y'all drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about, bro. That's I gotta go take a shower after this one. I don't even got no words for it. You guys see it. There's nothing to be said. You know what I'm saying? You living in Filth. That lets me know everything I need to know about you. And mentally, you got something going on with you where you live in something like that. That's why we check on our mentals in the beginning of the videos, right? How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Okay? Psychologically, how you doing? This motherfucker that was living there psychologically was off. Mentally was off. Drop it in the comment section, man. Let's have a conversation, but let's talk about it. Let's laugh. Not our problem. Yo, sorry for the interruption, but I gotta let my people know about the hottest new t-shirts we just dropped on the website. Starting with this one, okay? Anybody come up to you and ask you or say, you know what, I heard such and such about you. Tell them, put a condom in your ear and fuck what you heard. Come talk to me. Ask me, did I say that? Come to the source. You feel me? You hit them with this shirt right here. Universal saying. It goes with everything. fuck what you heard. Come talk to me personally, okay? This is one of the best sellers. We already sold out in 3 different sizes. 5X, 4X, and extra small. So make sure you tap into that one. I'm going to show you guys another one real quick. I love me some me. You got to love you some me, right? It's 2026. You have to love you some you because there's too many people out here playing with you, right? There's too many people out here playing with your love, playing with the person that you are. You know what I'm saying? Taking advantage of your love and the good person and good-hearted person you are. You got to love you, and I love me some me, okay? Those are only 2 of the shirts, but make sure you tap into the website. It's going to be in the first pinned comment. Now, back to the video.